welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well on today. So the wig that I am working with today was sent to me from RIRIhair. They sent me out their Indian natural wave wig. This is a 20-inch wig. It comes in natural color. The density is 180. This is a 360 lace frontal wig. The hairline does come pre-plucked, and the knots on the wig already come bleached, so I did not have to do not bleaching or anything. All I did was go in and pluck it somewhat to my liking. I wanted to show y'all the packaging because the packaging was really nice. It came with a nice amount of goodies, which was lovely. It does also come with a detachable elastic band, which is pretty cool. I did not use the elastic band when I installed it, but it does come with it. This is how the wig looks after washing it. Again, it does come pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck it somewhat to my liking. I am installing this wig with boho glue today. It's time for me to do my baby hairs. Y'all know I use Eco Salad Gel every time to do my baby hairs. started filming this video, I had no idea how I wanted to style the hair. So I just decided to use my 1.5-inch barrel curling iron. I think this is my Babyliss. I think that's how you say Babyliss curling iron. I got that from Ulta Beauty, and I just decided to use it as a wand, like a wand curler, and put some waves in my hair. I didn't know really what I wanted to do, but I knew I wanted to add like a little wave to the hair. Even though the hair does have waves in it, I just wanted a little bit more of a little oomph to it. I'm using the Sebastian Shaper hairspray. I got that from Sally's Beauty just to set it and keep it in place. So yeah, it didn't take me long to style my hair at all. I like the way it turned out. Something nice, and you know, it looks nice, and like I put a little more effort into it, which it was like quick effort, but I put a little bit more effort into my hair. So I thought it turned out really nicely. But as always, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up button so I know. Please subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you for watching. I appreciate y'all so much. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.